What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things men's style, grooming, and self-improvement. If you're here, it's probably because you're dealing with two common hair challenges: thin hair and a bigger forehead. Trust me, I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can be to find hairstyles that actually work. But don't worry, today, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 hairstyles that not only make your hair look fuller but also balance out a big forehead. Let's get into it. First of all, let's be real. I'm not here to tell you to buzz your hair. You've already heard that in other videos. You came here to find the right hairstyle for your hair. So sit back, relax, and watch till the end, because I'll not only help you discover your perfect hairstyle, but I'll also give you a handy list at the end to make your choice even easier. Hairstyle 1. The textured quiff. This hairstyle adds volume to the front, which draws attention upward and away from your forehead. The texture also creates the illusion of thicker hair. Here's how you do it. Start with damp hair, apply a volumizing mousse, and use a blow dryer to lift the hair at the front. Finish with a matte styling product to keep it in place without making it look greasy. This look is sharp, easy to maintain, and works perfectly for thin hair. Hairstyle 2. The messy fringe. Next, we've got the messy fringe. This is perfect if you're self-conscious about your forehead because it partially covers it while giving your hair a relaxed, fuller appearance. To achieve this look, keep your hair slightly longer in the front. Use a lightweight cream to create a tousled, messy effect. Don't overdo it. You want it to look effortless. The messy fringe is great for casual days and works especially well if you're aiming for that low-maintenance vibe. Hairstyle 3. The side part. The side part is a classic that never goes out of style. It's professional, clean, and creates the illusion of thicker hair on top. Start by finding your natural parting line. Use a styling product with a bit of shine for a polished look, or go matte for a more natural finish. Focus on keeping the sides clean and tight. This is a great choice for anyone with a bigger forehead because the side-swept look adds balance to your face. Hairstyle 4. The faux hawk. If you're feeling bold, the faux hawk is a killer option. It creates height and volume in the middle while keeping the sides shorter, which makes your hair look thicker and adds edge to your style. To style it, use a strong hold product and push the hair in the middle upward. Keep the sides neat to emphasize the contrast. This one's perfect if you want a modern, youthful vibe. Hairstyle 5. The fringe. Finally, the curtain fringe is a retro-inspired style that's back in trend. It's ideal for guys with thin hair because it creates movement and adds a youthful vibe. Use a lightweight product to keep the hair soft and flowy. This style works especially well if you've got straight or wavy hair. So there you have it, 5 hairstyles that work perfectly for thin hair. Remember, the right hairstyle can boost your confidence and change the way you feel about yourself. Experiment with these looks and find the one that suits your vibe best.